Experience the indulgence of a royal dish, presenting to you the Shahi Tukda. This is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon, powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Ghee. I hope you enjoy my recipe. I've got some slices of white bread. You can use white or brown. I'm just cutting the sides off, cutting the slice into half in a triangle. I'm going to heat some ghee. Once my ghee is heated, I'm going to fry my bread pieces on both sides until golden brown. The ghee is hot. I'm just going to place my bread pieces. In the meantime, I'm going to make a sugar syrup. Take some sugar in a bowl, add some water to this, and let the sugar dissolve in the water. I'm placing my fried pieces of bread on a kitchen towel. I have kept some milk to boil. It's 1 liter of milk which I've reduced to half. This is still boiling. I have been stirring it continuously and scraping the sides off so that the milk doesn't stick. Now that it's come to half, I'm going to add in my sugar, some Elaichi powder and some saffron milk. We're going to let this boil and get a little thicker. So for our Shahi Tukda, next we need to soak our fried bread pieces on both sides in the sugar syrup that we had prepared. To serve our Shahi Tukda, on my serving plate, I spread out the rabdi. I lay out my soaked bread pieces. Garnish with slivered almonds and some slivered pistachios. To give it a more festive feel, I'm just adding some silver warak.